Good morning students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. In this chapter we will discuss basic concept of geometry. Let us start with point. Point is nothing but a small tiny dot. If we take a sharp pencil and mark a dot on the paper, then you will get a point. Point denotes a certain location. If I take a point here, means it denotes a specific location on the board. Point is denoted by single capital letter. Here, point is denoted by capital A. If I take another point, it is denoted by capital B. If I take another point, it is denoted by capital C. Now next, line segment. If we take 2 points and draw shortest distance between them, then we will get a line segment. In another way, if we take 2 points and join them with the help of scale, then we will get a line segment. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Here, for the line segment AB, there are 2 endpoints, that is capital A and capital B. If it is a line segment PQ, therefore its endpoints are P and Q. Line segment has a specific length or fixed length, that is 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm, etc. Line segment is denoted by, if we take line segment AB, then it is denoted by AB bar. If we take line segment BA, then it is denoted by BA bar. Both are the same. Here PQ bar or QQ. Now, the examples of line segment are the edges of your notebook or textbook, or if you take a scale, then the edges of the scale are the examples of line segment. Now next, line. If you take line segment and draw arrows at its both endpoints, then we will get a line. Here line PQ, both side arrows means it will be extended independently at both the directions. Here line PQ, it is denoted by PQ or QP. Here line symbol is given, or line also denoted by single small letter like L, M, N, etc. Now next, ray. Ray is a part of line. If we shade this part, then it is a ray. Ray has starting point but does not have end point. Mean it will move in one direction only. Here ray OS, therefore it is denoted by OS and ray symbol. If we write SO, then it is wrong. Because O is a starting point, therefore we write O first. Therefore it is wrong. Now the examples are sunlight, torchlight are the examples of ray. I think it is understood to you. Thank you and have a nice day.